bride. The bride. Sa tuo si Telma, the famous Telma. Siya matugapon kitaon sa mirror. May perfume ka dyan?
Dali lang sure sa control na pa. Okay, steady lang. Smile.
Okay.
Ready, one.
Huh?
No.
Kapitan
Dili ko. Dili ka to. Okay. Dili lang tulog sa ako na. Okay. Come on, come on. Smile. Ang iyak pa. Ayun naman nila. Karami. Katangong. Mapapusulo kay tita.
Yes! Si Lola na? Yes, ito, wala.
Oh, insakto na. Insakto na.
Si Lola na lang.
Okay. Excuse me. Alright. Tita tayo. Hindi naman kita isa ka. There, that's it. Okay, ready? Smile. Dito. Palikid.
Ha?
Ford.
Alam mo kaya? Before the Second World War, when we met, and it was through my friend Cesar Ortiz that chance of meeting my present wife, Clarita.
What do you mean present wife?
You knew the Aragon very well. So I got interested and said, you come with me to visit, there is another sister and all that, but perhaps you might like her
And knocked out.
and all that. So there was a time when I accompanied him, and for the first time, I saw your mother. How can I feel in love or court a lady like your mother? He was very young then. He was only 16 when I first saw her.
16.
So the first time I was not really interested not because she was not pretty, but because of her age.
Si Daddy ay si Mr. Gaston. They were calling him Mr. Gaston. Tapos, waya ko reaksyon kay bata pa ko mo. And then, pero sang dito na kami sa Akop, that's where we stayed, Akop Gold Mine. Feeling ni Lola, lola ko. Niya, oy, mag-andam kasi na kay Mr. Gaston, ha? Kaya daw malain ang panulok niya sa ino.
May motibo.
Siling ko, baw si lola man, ano siya sa ako, nga kabataon sa akon. Niya, tanawa lang bala. Nakitaan ko na si Mr. Gaston na daw, permi lang nga ibig-ibig sa imo. Muna. Pero ako why gid sa bungog ko. Because I was so young, was enjoying myself, may kulon-kulon ako. I brought my doll na si Shirley, and I was intending to play nga balay-balay. Kami sang mga iba nga cousins namon. So,
Siya nag-income ang balay-balay si Daddy.
tita ni si tita Dako kag si tita Nena. So before going home to Silay, makadto sila anay sa Baguio. And then, of course, si Daddy, ginahagad niya nila nga magupod sa ila. And he was so reluctant. He wanted to go home straight here sa Silay. Annoy gani siya kay ginpilit siya upod. Ano isang ulihin, nagkilalahay na kami, kapanghagad na sila mapuli, siya naman ang hindi siya magpuli. 14 kilometers outside of Baguio.
The
Ay,
Apple
na-Apple
Mine,
Mine.
yes.
So,
Where we
So,
stayed.
You all stay there.
dito kami nag-stay.
Oh.
And then, mga everyday, we would go to the city, to Baguio. Marketing, shopping, going to Burnham.
Should I reveal exactly how I feel? Should I confess I love you? Should I recite beneath the pale moonlight and swear by stars above you? Could I repeat the sweetest story told? Could I entreat? Would it be too bold? Should I reveal exactly how I feel? Should I confess?
Thursday and Sunday,
Wednesday and Saturday afternoon, evening,
Oo.
may baile
may baile.
sa Burnham Park for the public. Free. Every Wednesday evening and Saturday evening. That is where we became closer.
Hindi na baili-baili mo na siya.
Yeah, of course. Kasi matter of fact, as time goes on, came a time when I expressed my love for her.
Intention.
And because I was very one plus mind, I insisted nga before we go home for her to answer yes or no, whether she likes me or so, or she loves me or not.
At that time, 17 si Mami.
Uy pa?
Why pa?
Away pa, 16
Six
pa.
pa lang. Going 17.
Cradle snatcher.
Di tano ganing rason nimo gani nga ang haluyag mo nga amo na nga age kasi mo di ba Mami sinika nga ay tinga ko ben pa sa akong was the hurry di ba no so nano ganing sabat nimo dad
Kung maipo ka sang bulak, mayo pilion mo ang bad. Ang bad, hindi nga
Buwan na.
nagkad na.
Aning ka bukat ka? O, aning ka pa bilang...
Nanggasugod pa lang bala.
Bukad-kad.
Na.
Then when she accepted me,
ginaccept ka man dayo
oh, I was very glad. In the following, I think it was the following week, when I reminded her, I was very happy of that. She told me, well, sabi niya, I am sorry, you know that I think I changed my mind.
No, it's not that. Basta may pamangkot siya the first time. Yung nag-uuman lang ko, ay ko kabalo nga may mga kwanili na.
Yeah, but then,
May
that's when I
entail
reminded
something.
her, which I thought that she was really in love with me.
Pag-iwin niya sa akin, ay siling ko, hindi man.
hindi ka
That's
naman
not
na
true.
hapon why na kuya ang isang
That's why I-
commitment ay may siguro you
Oo.
answered na yes
Sige, nag-uuman lang ko, ay ko kabalo nga.
But not to
kung
commit
anong
yourself.
galing na ihigot ka na dayon.
So that was
See, that's
the
what he
beginning.
gets for robbing the cradle.
So,
Pali, kumain ko na
so,
ano
film
na.
na gusto pangit-ingit, kaya daw, gali mo manana. Ito na, ano na.
Why?
Usually, we don't date together. But,
Why kay
In
kami
group? Why
nag-date
together?
nga?
Eh, already
We
in
always
group.
went to the whole group.
Yung action yung makita mo, daw, daw nga karakasaw, ano. Why demand ko dito?
Sa
Ordinary lang.
courtship, ma'am, how was Dad as a boyfriend? Siloso?
Very,
Very possessive?
Very
Oo,
possessive.
So, how did he, man-to-man guarding o kung ano na?
man-to-man guarding with
May
a
espiya pa
spy
siya?
tool.
May spy pa siya?
May spy pa
I,
kami.
you remember
Guarding.
do you remember this one? When we were not yet married, remember Paul Paret?
Kalpat.
Kalparet, it was a program, a request program. So I was known as Prince. He was known as Small Fry, no? Small Fry. This is coming from Small Fry. I'm dedicating this to Frenchy. The number is this.
Si French.
There are times that the request is very romantic. But there was a time when he said, oh no, there must be something wrong because I think I requested something about my pants eating inside. After there was a,
The punch.
no, there was a request that which sounded that we were no longer short term.
Okay.
Oh no, Frenchy, what's the matter? It's no longer romantic request. It looks like you are mad at a small fry. Why? What actually happened? May I know from small fry? Oh, then small fry will request again. Oh, here it comes the answer, the request. So later on, he was very, I hope, Srinagar, that
And this Jackie na.
some of these days, pretty soon, sooner than I expect,
Itong na
you will reconcile and start again requesting romantic song.
Hindi napadala pa na siya mga old records wala na. Kakadlaw si Calparis kay ang plaka ba lang
No war.
turntable o magkadaada. May ginatugpo di sa iya na the only daughter of the daddy. Kung may luyag man sa iya kay amiga man sa iya na nautod mo, your sister.
You knew about it.
Very close here. Kaya ay man siya gana. Ako gitang luyag niya.
So, shave off his
Shed of his hair para magpuli siya dito sa sila. Hindi siya kuno pag-date. Oo. Hindi siya pag-date nga magkakasabay din.
loyalty.
We stayed long in Bonham and in Ako and in Baguio as a whole for quite a time during courtship. That's why that's why I failed to pass the board because
To get the board.
to get the board because the money is supposed to pay for my
Board exam.
board exams, my board review and exams. I spent it with her in Baguio. Muna isa pa na nga nagainit ang ulo ni Papa.
Thank you.